Question 9 says an inequality is given 1 over 4x plus 2 is less than 10. Does x equals 20 satisfy this inequality? Explain why or why not. So immediately what I did was put this in Desmos. So you should do that as well. There are a few ways that we can solve this. The first thing is we can find where x is 20, which is right here. So along my x-axis, find where 20 is. If it's in the shaded region, that means you are good to go. It is a solution, which we can see this is a solution. Another thing that we could do is plug in 20 for x. So I took this and I just put it down here and I put in a 20 for x. And if this number is less than 10, then that means you are good. 7 is less than 10, that is true. So x equals 20 has to satisfy the inequality. So if they asked you if x equals 32 satisfies the inequality, which they're not asking that, but you might see something like this on the test. When I put that in, I get a 10. And I can see graphically that this dashed line crosses at x equals 32. Because it's a dashed line, it's strictly less than. It's not or equal to. So if you do this and you get 10 is less than 10, so we put in 32, we got 10 is less than 10. This is not true. If you had a less than or equal to, then it would be true because now you have a solid line and it can be included. But if it's just less than or just greater than, this solution here, when x equals 32, or it would not be a solution because it is not included in the inequality.